Assalamu alaikum. Today's recipe will be how to make chicken Manchurian. And for the recipe you will need 2 chicken fillets and they will be marinated for at least half an hour. There will be a picture in the beginning of the video of what ingredients need to be used to marinate. And another picture in the beginning of video will be the rest of the ingredients. And those are as follows. We need one plate of chopped spring onions, 1 large tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste, 2 green chilies chopped, soya sauce. We need 1 large spoon of tomato paste, 1 small onion chopped, 3 tablespoons of oil. Then we're gonna need water as well. At the moment I've taken 1 glass, and when we will make, then we'll see how the consistency goes. Might be we'll need more. We need 1 large or 2 of ketchup, 2 spoons of ketchup, tablespoons, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 black pepper, and also a little bit of sugar. And corn flour, need to mix it with cold water and leave it aside. We'll need it for the recipe. So let's get cooking. And if you want to double check the ingredients, there will be, as I said, a picture in the beginning of the video, a full list of ingredients. So first, before we make anything else, we're gonna take a pan like so with a little bit of oil, and we need to fry this chicken, but when you fry it, then make it golden color, but not over fry, otherwise the chicken will be hard. So once you fry it a bit for golden color, then put it aside. I've changed to a larger pan so that I can make sure that chicken is properly cooked from all the sides, and once it's golden color now, I will be able to put it aside and carry on with the rest of the recipe. So now we're taking another pan and we're gonna warm up oil that we measured like about 3 tablespoons. And next we're gonna put garlic and ginger paste. And once ginger and garlic paste is gonna be turning golden, we're gonna add next ingredient. So once you added spring onions, give it a good mix, and also add the green chili. Give it a good mix. So once you let it cook just for a little bit, about half minute to 1 minute, I'm going to add now the tomato paste. Sorry for the kids in the background, but that's family life. And also ketchup, and give it a good mix. Now once you've given a good mix, then please add also the masalas and mix it. So next I'm going to add water. So I'm going to start with 1 cup and then see the consistency. Probably I'm going to add 1 more cup, and also now I'm going to mix up and add, to thicken the consistency, I'm going to be adding the water with corn flour, but I need to mix it first. So when you added the corn flour, then the consistency should be thickening, as you can see. So for the amount of chicken that I'm using, I have here altogether 3 cups of water, and I added a little bit more of cornstarch so that we can get, this is the consistency we are looking for. And now we're going to add the chicken and mix it. So now I've added the chicken, and this is the consistency we are looking for. And I've also added just now soya sauce. So then you need to try and see how is the salt, but this should be ready now, and you can serve it with rice. So here is the finished result, and full ingredients will be screenshot in the beginning of the video as well. And we're gonna have chicken Manchurian with egg fried rice. It's a very easy recipe, and yeah, please follow on my channel for more recipes. Thank you.